distinctive blend of premier scholars, world-class education in engineering, building competencies beyond engineering, NBA accredited and ISO 9001-2000 certified institution. Welcome to SSM College of Engineering. We create success. Jnanathandai, SSM Subramaniam, an industrialist and a spiritualist, founded SSM College of Engineering to shower the rays of wisdom to the society through technical education. SSM College of Engineering is led by a dynamic, multifaceted businessman, Cavalier Dr. M.S. Madhivanan.
SSM Education Institution stands as the motto says, we create success. With the able support of well-qualified and vast experienced faculty, SSM imparts quality education that goes beyond the blackboard. Our students are given opportunities to think out of the box. Social responsibility, community development and humanity are the path and way of educational systems in SSM. I am proud that SSM is culmination of students, staff and management. We have students from different parts of the country and different parts of the world. The reach of the alumnus are all over the world and they are well placed. They are better than the best.
Here Pines, we feel proud of ourselves on our friendly and supportive relationship with our students, and we assure the best. To proliferate challenging technical professionals and equipping them with the knowledge and skills to make a successful entry into the technological arena, and also to bring out the hidden innovative skills to benefit the society, the nation and the world at large. To disseminate globally standardized technical education. To inculcate a high sense of discipline. To foster research and development. To gratify industry expectations through industry-institute interaction. To be student-centered in leadership skills to face the challenges of the competitive world. SSM College of Engineering was established in 1998, approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, and affiliated to Anna University, Coimbatore. Our college is logistically located in the significant industrial zone of South India, Kumarapalayam town, about 15 kilometers from E-Road, and is well connected by air, rail and road. Our global vision opens the door for national and international students. SSM cordially invites foreign nationals, non-residential Indians and persons of Indian origin. Engineering courses, undergraduate programs, BE Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, B.Tech, Information Technology, Textile Technology, Textile Chemistry, Postgraduate Programs, M.Tech, Textile Technology, Master of Business Administration, Master of Computer Applications, Applied Science courses, undergraduate programs, BSc Information Technology, Computer Technology, Apparel and Fashion Technology, Integrated Programs, MSc Software Engineering, Information Technology are other educational institutions. SSM School of Management and Computer Applications, SSM College of Arts and Science, SSM Academy of Textile and Management. Our Department of Textile Technology and Textile Chemistry offers undergraduate and postgraduate program. B.Tech Textile Chemistry is a unique course offered by SSM College of Engineering in South India. Garment Manufacturing Laboratory, infrared beaker and soft flow dyeing machines and a CAD lab are the cornerstones of the department. The department prides itself in having a chairman who holds a doctorate in textiles. Our civil engineering department provides peaceful environment to kindle the creativity of aspiring architects. Our mechanical engineering department is fortified with CAD/CAM lab, thermodynamic lab, manufacturing technology lab, fluid mechanics and thermal lab. The department offers excellent opportunities to learn how various machines are synthesized. Our software engineers from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Information Technology are occupying various positions in leading IT companies like Infosys, Wipro, CTS, TCS, HCL, Accenture, etc. Our Electronics and Communication Engineering and Electrical and Electronics Engineering departments have best-of-breed laboratory facilities in the areas of DSP, RF, fiber optics, microprocessor, power electronics, electrical machines, integrated circuits and computing facilities with latest software like ARCAD, MATLAB. Students are deputed to undergo in-plant training during their vacation to learn practical applications. Our Department of Apparel and Fashion Technology creates designers who create ripples in the fashion circuit. SSM School of Management and Computer Applications offers MBA program with dual specialization in marketing, HRM, systems and finance. It also offers MCA program that develops young professionals who create technologies with extensive inputs. Beyond the Blackboard activities like special lectures, seminars, industrial visits, executive interaction program, case analysis and group discussions are encouraged. The school boasts 100% placement every year. Our school conducts staff development program regularly to enhance the teaching abilities of our faculties. Besides, we have got approval from the Department of Science and Technology, DST, to establish Entrepreneurship Development Cell. National Level Management Meet, IMPRINCE, is organized every consecutive year. Efficient transport facilities are provided to the students covering 60 km radius. Every department has excellent lab facilities with all necessary equipments that allows the students to gain sound practical knowledge and life experience. A fully functional internet browsing center and high-tech communication lab are available in the college for the use of students and staff members. Conference hall is available with outstanding acoustics, clear lighting and spacious seating arrangements. The college has well-resourced library with over 40,000 books, 250 online journals, 150 national and international journals, telnet facility, audio-visual and playback materials related to different branches of study. Our hostels are coupled with scenic views in a serene atmosphere and security surveillance. Our international hostels are provided with all necessary amenities. Equipped with gyms, in total, the hostels are happier home away from happy home.
I'm Kwon from Thailand. Okay, I study in CSC, that Computer Science and Engineering. Then about my department, like I'm in final year. Okay, now it's last year for me. But for this college, in my opinion, is quite nice because it makes us to study somewhat much compared with the other college.
My name is Karma Gyatsen. I am from Bhutan. I'm studying in SSM College of Art and Science in second year. The good thing about this college is located ideally, which is more suited to whoever would like to aspire their higher education.
Me Irfan from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'm doing my engineering in electrical and electronics engineering, and I'm joined here because its reputation of this college is very high in all over India. Actually, it's providing that international hostel facility where you can join and get the whole culture from all over the world, and lots of countries people, students are studying here, and their mutual understanding is very good, and the exchanging of culture, it gives us so much pleasure.
Hello, I'm Prithvi Raghav from Sri Lanka. I'm doing my first year of BE Mechanical Engineering, and coming to this college, I think it's really very good because you can find so many facilities that you cannot find in other colleges.
Hi, I'm from Bhutan and my name is Pramod Fiden, and then I'm in second year, so I'm doing BCom CA, and I'm studying in SSM College of Arts and Science. And then it was kind of fun to join this college. It was kind of well worth of coming to this college, and it's kind of very good. And even the staffs and all, everybody, people out here, they are just so good.
Our college training and placement cell is functioning effectively by giving regular and rigorous training. Leading industries and organizations, including multinational corporate companies, conduct regular interviews to select our technocrats. With facilities for indoor and outdoor games, our college has won prizes in university and national level sports events. Active participation in extracurricular activities like meditation, National Service Scheme, NSS, Youth Red Cross and socio-cultural events are encouraged to unwind themselves from their tutoring saddle. Students are sent abroad for cultural and technical exchange program every year. Studying at SSM College of Engineering gives you a distinctive, inspiring and outstanding learning experience. Come, join us for a quality education. SSM College of Engineering,